turn signal indicator is located on the left side of the steering column. It is standard equipment on all automobiles. To activate the turn signal, push down when you are going to turn left. Push up when you are making a right turn. The turn signal should also be used when you are going to change lanes. When you push up, the right turn signals flash on the rear and on the front of your vehicle. The same occurs when pushing down on the turn signal lever. Only the lights on the left front and rear of your vehicle are activated. Let's recap. Push the lever down for left turns and lane changes. Push up for right turns and lane changes. Be sure to return the turn signal lever to the center position after turning or making a lane change. If you do not, people will think you are stupid. If we all use our turn signals, our driving experience will be much more enjoyable, and everyone around you will have a better idea about where the hell you are going. Be smart, be safe, use your frickin' turn signals.